So this is what you require an agent. You have an LLM which powers it. In our case, what was the LLM? Jatin, Prashant, Kavya, what was the LLM?
Yes, sir.
It was Gemini, right?
Yes, sir.
One was Gemini, other one was ChatGPT.
GP.
Yeah, both of them were there. So agent actually uses this entire LLMs powers it. But your workflow is going to be embedded in Python itself, Python or whichever language you are using. Your workflow is going to be embedded there, but it is going to explicitly call LLM to do some stuff. It could be reasoning stuff. Okay. Just to give another example. Okay. Uh, let's say you would have heard a lot of telecallers, right? People call you and try to sell service. They want to sell you some product. You can actually completely automate it. You can create an LLM. You can create an agent which is going to be connected to a voice generation. So nowadays you have a lot of tools like I'm not able to recall, but there are specific tools which converts text to language in your own voice, text to voice. You're going to connect that to an agent. So whatever the LLM bases the conversation is going to decipher, that would be used in translation. Now, so let's take another example. Okay. I was talking about the recruiters call people, right? So recruiters look at everyone's CV, they need to call people. Now, let's say if I automate this entire part, I don't want to have a recruiter per se. I just want a complete machine to be there. What I'm going to create is I'm going to create a workflow, which is going to scrap your Naukri, your LinkedIn using your credentials. Whatever the credential of the human was, it's going to use that credentials. वो अंदर जाएगा, अंदर से वो डेटा सॉर्ट करेगा. Whatever is going to be useful, it's going to pull that data. ठीक है? And it's going to analyze the data using LLM. वो खुद से नहीं एनालाइज करेगा प्रोग्राम. It's going to use LLM. Let's say Gemini use कर रहे हो, ChatGPT use कर रहे हो, Cloud use कर रहे हो. Whichever you are using, that's going to analyze the data. Once it analyzes the data, it's going to call out the phone numbers, and वो phone numbers को maybe वो Excel में डालेगा, or it could even use a voice agent to call the person up. Is it making sense? So far, whatever I'm pointing out, a lot of stuff could be done in Python, or it could be done in any of the workflows. Kavya, whatever you're pointing out, it could be done in workflows, but the codes would be huge. Let's take an example of engineers. If I'm going to search a job, if I want to get engineers, software engineers, in Naukri, people might have written IT engineer, somebody would have written software engineer, somebody would have written backend engineer, somebody would have written full stack engineer. Will your Python able to understand that? It will not. But an LLM can easily understand that. LLM can easily understand all these things essentially mean the same, right? So that's why you would require an LLM. You also use memory. Now, the biggest challenge, Kavya, you pointed out initially that ChatGPT is an AI, right? Now, ChatGPT is partly an AI, but it doesn't have a memory of the conversation. वो चैट विंडो में कभी कभी रखता है, लेकिन वो भी अगर आपने रियलाइज किया होगा, it keeps forgetting the stuff. You will tell him, tell
उन्होंने
ChatGPT
चालू कर दिया
multiple
ना.
times and it will keep forgetting in the same chat window. And leave
Yes, sir.
aside कि it is going to remember across the chat windows.
Yes,
Has
sir.
anyone faced that? Prashant, Jatin,
Sir, I have particularly faced that after 3000,
Aditya?
मतलब 300 prompts.
It happens. It happens. Why it happens? Because ChatGPT is a generation tool. It doesn't have a memory. It's like in other words, it's like a rattu tota. Somebody who has mucked up everything. You point it out, it is blurting out, but doesn't recall what it just spoke five minutes back. So here an agent has a memory. Let's go back to our recruiter's response, right? Let's go back to our job search part. In job search, you will have a memory, right? I have applied to 100 jobs. I have scanned 200 websites. It is not going to keep analyzing the same websites where it has already applied. But can ChatGPT do it? It will not be able to do it. So that's the bigger part. And second is, you can't use ChatGPT from the front end to do all these tasks for you. You'll require it to be using it through a backend. Now, Kavya, Mayank, you guys already pointed out ideally, you would want to create your own LLM. I would suggest you create your LLM, but don't try to teach it too much, because you don't have the resources. You don't have the GPUs. You'll not be able to train it that much. Rather, you should be, as an expert, you should try to leverage these LLMs that are there.